Uh, Today, you guys, you will get your retirement salary from your bed boss. How do you like our like legal service?
Uh, so far, with my experience, I'm very thankful that your company, your law firm, has helped me with my severance pay, as I never expected that I will get it. But since you you really do everything like with all the evidences I provide, and then here I am now. I'm going to accept the severance pay. I wanted to thank you, your company. A big thank you to all of you, to you, Dave, and to the rest of your coworkers for helping out like me who deserve the severance payment.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you so
so
much.
you recommend to some people who cannot get
Yes,
the
and
kind of
then
money.
yeah, my friends. I've been communicating with my friends. They've asked questions regards with the service and all of the information I gave to them, and then they told me that they wanted your service after they stop working in that company.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Yes, I have
Thank you
a
for
few
cooperation, bro.
friends. I mean, they are many. Yes, um, they've been asking about the information, and then I already provided them. And then I told them that once you stop working, just tell me, and then I will contact Dave right away.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, bye
Thank you
bye.
so much, Dave.
Okay,
Thank
bye
you so
bye.
much. No, thank you. Bye bye. You take care. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.